content isn't marketing, distribution is. So content is really the product and distribution is the marketing. Today I want to explain to you that you have to understand this really basic thing about creating content to really get the most value of the content you create. So first off, content is the product and distribution is the marketing. What I want to say with this is that content is like the quality product and distribution, like across all the channels, is how to market and get the content in front of as many people as possible. So with that being said, make the best product possible. With the equipment that you have, start out and really get the best quality product out there, the best content you can. A good product beats any marketing. If a product is so good that people start referring it themselves, you don't have to do anything. People start sharing your content to 10 different people, let's say. Every single one. This creates a super viral effect and you won't have to do anything. So good product beats everything. But if you distribute it across short form, you will get more views of it. So short form is a great tool to distribute your long form content across many different platforms, many different audience types. Start using short form as a distribution possibility for your long form content. Chop up some clips of your long form content. I do that as well. This won't get many views from the top. Just start doing it. It will get 100 views there, maybe 1,000 views there, but people will start noticing it. And one other thing I want to talk about, the second point really, is reuse your winning content. Not everybody in your audience has seen every video of you. Just because they are subscribed to you or follow you or connected with you in some way, shape or form, they didn't see the whole content that you produced. Reuse winning clips 100 times over across different channels at different times. Maybe 2 months later you can reuse maybe a short form clip or reuse it after a week already if you chop it up a little bit differently. You can really start to reuse your content and get way more out of it than you think. Those are the most important things about this. Get the whole concept and start to produce the best quality content that you can, distribute it across short form and reuse it 100 times over if it's a winning product, so called content that you produced. Save it to a different folder of maybe just call it winning content or viral content folder or something like that. And you can reuse that, re-edit it a little bit differently and upload it again on different channels. So this is also a secret hack you could call. Start to use multiple accounts on every platform. If you use multiple Instagram, multiple TikTok, multiple YouTube accounts, you can start to really duplicate or triple your output of the short form content across each platform. If you have 3 accounts on each platform, you can not just post 3 times but 9 times the same content and it gets displayed to maybe different audiences or at different times, and maybe it just gets another chance of going viral. Never forget that. And with that being said, keep building.